everybody, and welcome to Cam and the fam. Guys, today I am making hot water cornbread. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
I'm making hot water cornbread, and I actually have my beans soaking because I'm making some black-eyed pea beans. So guys, what we're going to do, we have a cup and a half of cornmeal. We also have 2 tablespoons of butter. We're just going to throw this in there because the hot water is going to melt that. So we have a little sugar, not a lot, a sprinkle. Same thing with the salt, a sprinkle. And we have a pinch of salt. And when I say a pinch, I mean just that. You don't want to use a lot of salt. Okay? That's a pinch. So my grease is hot. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to pour in our hot water. And you just stir this in. And you allow that butter to melt. So I might have to have to put in 2 cups of cornmeal. So this is one of those recipes you can't make a mistake. You can't possibly make a mistake. So we're gonna pour a little more cornmeal in here. I was trying to make a smaller batch, but hey. Okay, so we're gonna pour a little more cornmeal. So if you happen to pour too much water in, you can always pour some more cornmeal in. You can't make a mistake with this recipe. You see how it's getting mushy? Now what you can do, if you like the consistency of this, or if you want to pat it in your hands, if you want to make your own patties, then you're going to need a little more cornmeal. So we're going to pour a little more cornmeal in here. You can also drop your cornmeal in with a spoon, or you can form it, you can form a patty with your hands. So what I'm going to do, my grease is hot. Let me make sure my grease is hot. We're going to just dump it in. And they don't have to be the same size. The dough is hot. A lot of people sit here and they pat it out, and you can do that. And I would do that sometime, but today is not the day to be playing with no dough. So I'm just gonna put it in like that. And I'm using a wooden spoon. And I'm gonna dump another one right here. Here go another one right here. And this is so simple. So instead of trying to cut down the recipe like I was trying to do, just use the 2 cups of cornmeal. So we're going to allow these to cook, and I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, I totally forgot. I'm sitting up here just flipping my flipping my hot water cornbread. So that's the second one. And you want to make sure you don't burn yourself.
I think that's the key.
Yeah, you don't want to get popped. Okay, this was Cameron's little
That was beautiful.
And if you want them, of course, if you want them larger, you can make them larger. I like mine bite size. And our little pan, it just seems like it's just slipping everywhere. And they have such a good crunch to them too. So guys, I'll bring you back once I'm finished. Well guys, as you can see, my hot water cornbread is ready, and they're small. So if you want yours to be bigger, then of course you can pat it out. You know, you can make a patty with your hands. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below, hit the notification bell so you will know every time I am in the kitchen. And remember guys, use 2 cups of cornmeal. You can use any kind of cornmeal, and then for every cup of cornmeal I used a cup of water. So you might have to use a little bit more depending on the consistency that you want it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. And don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And I'm doing the thumbs up my video guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.